Welcome to RaiGurukul.com. In this video, we'll talk about very important concept where you can customize attachment size to be uploaded. Whenever we are working on any Jira instances, we are using attachments in our regular issue types. Let's consider you're working on any epics and that epics needed to upload bigger size email file or bigger size image or documentations file. So how you can customize or keep restrictions on the uploaded attachments. In other way around, sometimes we need to restrict the size of attachments to be uploaded here. How as a Jira administrator, you can modify it or keep the restrictions or keep the watch on specific attachments to be uploaded. So here I will explain you how we can modify it. If you are new to Jira and you wanted to learn Jira from scratch, feel free to refer my complete Jira playlist. Other than that, I've also created one course which help you to guide from end to end using Jira as a Scrum Master and Project Manager. I will also include, if you want to become Jira expert, feel free to refer my this complete playlist where this will guide you on Jira for Scrum Master and Project Manager. This is not only mean for Scrum Master and Project Manager. As a regular Jira user, if you enroll this course, this will be very helpful for you. Now, coming down to our today's topic here, let's consider you are having a team size of 300 in our Jira instance and you to keep restrictions on attachments or file attachments. You need admin permissions and based on that navigate it to the system and from here you will get attached. So by default, Jira Cloud instance is providing 1 MB of space to be uploaded as a part of attachment, but you can also modify it based on your requirement. To modify it, here you have to simply click on edit settings and from here you can raise it to even 2 MB or 3 MB based on your requirement. In other sections, you'll also get options to enable chip support. If you'll disable it, anyone who is uploading the attachments in zip file, it will not allow them to update it. So let's consider I'm updating the size to 2 MB, which is approximately 1977.67 MB, and I'm restricting to upload the zip file. Whenever I will navigate into the projects and when I will try to upload the zip file, it will not allow me to upload it inside the attachments. So let me show you here. Now, this is a zip file, which is a bigger size. Let me do this. Here you can see successfully uploaded the zip file. Let me delete it and refresh the instance. Then we'll try it again. So now you can see how this looks. Now you can see how this looks. This zip file is not supported. That's the reason you can see here this icon is generated. When I will enable it, this icon will get changed. Let me try for this one. I'm reverting back to the default size here, 1 MB, and click on no on. Enable the ability to users to download all those attachments or issue as single zip file. This is not related with the uploading sections. This is related with the download sections. When we'll disable it, we will get a single file. But when you will enable it, we will get direct a zip file. Let me try it again with this. Here, when I will navigate it to the sections, and from here, let me upload into some attachments as image like Atlassian Unleash like this. Here you can see this is uploaded successfully. If I want to download it, so here download all, this will getting downloaded. Download the attachment. We did not find the finish downloading your attachment, so it's not uploaded yet. Let me try it again, refresh the page and then we'll try it again. Here, let me try to download all. This is downloading attachment. So you can see here, the attachment is downloaded and will be a zip file for a device. We try for this one, downloads. Here, you cannot see the downloaded file is available. Still downloading, not sure what's the problem with this. Might be some issues in cloud, but whenever you will download and the zip file is disabled, you won't be able to download all those files in zip bucket. So that's how we can modify the attachment size as well as enabling and disabling the download format of zip. That's all about this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. And if you have any suggestions or feedback, feel free to reach out to me by using comments. And if you have any topics which you wanted to learn from me or which is not available on our channel, feel free to add the topic name in comments. We'll try to come up with that topic video. Thank you for watching. See you in next part of